This is why you can't manifest to this next level, because you're so overwhelmed with what is. Well, if you are, then this video is for you and some of the information I can share with you. Within that, we're all expressing energy, we're all receiving energy. And within that, there are others around us with all their energies and their overwhelms and their humanness and their human experience, trip us up on ours. It can piss us off. And what it is we're feeling theirs and then we're feeling ours. And so we're not even aware of what is ours and what is theirs and where our role is in that. So within that, we need to start getting clear. What is it you really want? Many come in here and tell me what they don't want. They're really good at that. But then I say, well, what do you want? And they'll go on about what they don't want someone else to do, or something about their job or their finances or their health. So they're giving that energy away to others and those circumstances. Can you understand that? Can you feel that? We're all doing it. But to the degree is where our power is for us to catch that energy, because we're leaking energy. We're giving our energy away to a past experience, a present experience, and within that, we're giving that exchange of energy to create more of that. And then you wonder why you can't manifest what you want. So within that, the best thing you can do, for one, is understand your own energy and others' energy. So when you get in tune with what it is that you really want, you need to start activating that energy. It's that simple. But we've exercised the other energies for so long. They're strong. So I go into the gym, man. So you go to the gym, you're gonna work, your biceps each day. You're gonna work your legs. Those muscles get strong. So when you wake up in the morning, what are your thoughts? And what are you doing? It's like, it's, hocus pocus focus is my big word. Hocus pocus focus. What are you focused on? Are you focused on the people in your living environment? Are you focused on the people at your work? Are you focused on how you're pissed off with the politics? Are you upset with the world you live in? What kind of energy are you putting out there? We need to stop that. We don't have to monitor our words and our thoughts all the time, but we do need to be mindful is, where are you putting that energy in? It's like a bank, our energy. So keep putting that in. If you are mindful of all the negative thoughts you're thinking the minute you start your day and you're putting that in your piggy bank of manifesting energies, where is it going? So it's our humanness that, trips us up. I fuck me up. I mess myself up. There's nobody else in my face doing it. It's my thoughts, my repetitive thoughts, my limited beliefs, or old energies on my timeline that I need to clean up. So this is what I work with when I work with people individually and in groups. So we need to go beyond what is. You need to stop looking at what is right in front of you and having the same thoughts about it. You need to stop being nosing into what everybody else is doing. I heard someone say, oh, it's not Facebook, it's Nosebook. Well, to a point. I like Facebook. It keeps me connected with many people, and I can get out and communicate with you and my friends and family. But at the same time is hocus pocus focus. Where is your focus? Energy goes where our attention is, and where our emotions go, that's where it flows. So if you can just start doing one exercise, you don't go to the gym in one day and work out and be like, oh, I'm all buff now. That'd be great. but that doesn't happen that way. So we need to exercise, focus on that one muscle, focus on that one thing you would like to strengthen in. Be mindful, catch yourself on the negative thoughts. You don't go to the gym and work on some equipment and go, oh, that's not going to work. You know it's going to work. Your intention is there, you're focused, and you believe that it's going to give you an outcome that you want. Well, it's just like working with these universal laws. You need to believe that it can change. You need to believe that you will receive the energy coming to you that you're a vibrational match in. you know, are you asking as well? Are you asking within? Are you letting things go? Asking spirit for help? Asking others for help? Are you feeling overwhelmed in your home or environment? You know, running a home is like running a business. You need to delegate responsibilities. It isn't up to just one person. And where did that come from? You know, in this time, space, reality where we're at now, it's way different than it was in the 50s, 60s, 70s. So, you know, it is up to us to be that change for the now and then in the future. If you're ready to go beyond what is, of the overwhelm and others pissing you off and feeling like you just can't handle this anymore, or if you're feeling like you just can't seem to manifest to this next level, if you're saying like, oh, well, when this happens, then I'll be able to. You're not understanding that your thoughts and emotions are energy, and they're creating this energy to go out. This is us. We're all energy. Vibrating out, and then others are vibrating out, and we're vibrating in. So we're all absorbing each other's energies, but we're also sending out. So be mindful. What are you sending out? And what are you absorbing? I always say, observe, don't absorb. Observe, don't absorb. Where someone else is at is telling us where they're at. How someone else treats us is telling us where they're at. How we react to that is where we're at. We need to catch ourselves in that energy and not feed it. Stop the energy. Breathe it out. Refocus, hocus pocus focus, and start going on the energy of what you want for the outcome. Take inspired action in having a new conversation, or what new ways that you can do to manifest the way that you want to live your life out. If you'd like to either come in for your own private session, or if you'd like to join us in the class.